Welcome to Ted's Dixie Sheds channel. Today we're diving into an intriguing topic that combines history, innovation, and practical solutions for your home. Specifically, the benefits of a mobile home roof over. Let's take a moment to appreciate the evolution of roofing materials throughout history. From the thatched roofs of ancient times to the sleek modern designs we see today, roofs have always played a crucial role in protecting our homes. They shield us from the elements, provide insulation, and contribute to the overall aesthetic of our living spaces. Now, when it comes to mobile homes, many owners face the challenge of aging roofs that may not offer the best protection or energy efficiency. This is where the concept of a roof over comes into play. By adding a new layer of roofing material over existing shingles, you can enhance your home's durability without the hassle of a complete roof replacement. One of the standout materials for this purpose is Galvalume metal roofing. This innovative product combines the strength of steel with a protective coating of aluminum and zinc, making it incredibly resistant to rust and corrosion. This means your roof can withstand harsh weather conditions from heavy rain to intense sunlight, ensuring your home remains safe and secure for years to come. But the advantages don't stop there. When you install Galvalume roofing, you also have the option to incorporate insulation panels beneath the metal. This addition significantly improves your home's energy efficiency, keeping it cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Imagine reducing your energy bills while enjoying a more comfortable living environment. Furthermore, the installation process is relatively straightforward. By using 1x4 wood boards over the shingles as a framework, you create a solid base for the Galvalume panels. This not only adds structural integrity, but also allows for proper ventilation, which is essential in preventing moisture buildup and extending the lifespan of your roof. As we reflect on the history of roofing and the advancements we have today, it's clear that choosing the right materials can make a significant difference in the longevity and efficiency of your home. A mobile home roof over with Galvalume metal and insulation boards is not just a practical solution. It's an investment in your comfort and peace of mind. Throughout history, one of the most important parts of any home has always been the roof. From thatched huts to clay tiles, wood shakes to asphalt shingles, roofs have always been about protection, durability, and comfort. For mobile homes especially, the roof plays a huge role in keeping the home safe, efficient, and long-lasting. In the early days of mobile homes, many came with flat or lightly pitched metal roofs. These were affordable, but they often leaked, trapped heat, and aged quickly. By the mid to late 20th century, shingle roofs became common, but they still carried challenges, especially with insulation and long-term durability. Today, homeowners are turning to a more permanent solution: the roof over. A roof over is exactly what it sounds like, building a new roof directly over your existing shingles. Instead of costly tear-offs, you install 1x4 wood boards, add insulation panels for energy efficiency, and then finish with a strong, reflective metal surface. One of the most popular materials today is Galvalume steel, a corrosion-resistant metal that can last 40 to 60 years with minimal maintenance. Why Galvalume? It's a proven technology, combining steel with a coating of aluminum and zinc, giving it incredible resistance to rust and weather damage. With insulation panels underneath, it not only keeps rain and snow out, but also reduces heating and cooling costs by reflecting sunlight and stopping heat transfer. Compared to traditional shingles, a roof over with Galvalume panels requires less upkeep, lowers energy bills, and adds decades of life to your home. It's also quieter during rainstorms than many expect, thanks to the insulating layer. Instead of replacing shingles every 15 to 20 years, a roof over is a one-time investment that pays back with energy savings, lower maintenance, and increased property value. A roof has always been the shield of the home. With modern technology like insulation and Galvalume panels, your mobile home can have the same protection, efficiency, and style as any traditional house. The roof over is more than just an upgrade, it's peace of mind for years to come. Smartest upgrades you can make. Thank you for joining us on this journey through roofing history and innovation. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful content. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing more tips and ideas with you soon.